Named after the largest rough-cut diamond of gem quality ever discovered, the Rolls Royce Cullinan SUV is a rolling embodiment of its namesake legacy. Large, extravagant, and dizzyingly expensive, the Cullinan takes the traditional Rolls benchmarks. A curated selection of upholstery and trim materials, a whisper-quiet interior, a traditional Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and a sky's-the-limit customization program, and applies them to a full-size SUV. A twin-turbo V12 rated up to 592 horsepower resides under the hood, sending its output to an 8-speed transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Pampering the occupants takes precedence here, and that includes a spacious rear compartment with exquisitely padded seating to make the passengers, or in some cases the owner, though Rolls-Royce tells us that is the exception rather than the rule these days, arrive as fresh as possible. Nearly twice as expensive as a Bentley Bentayga or a Mercedes-Maybach GLS Class, the Cullinan is also far more exclusive. For many buyers, that makes its price of entry a relative bargain. Rolls-Royce identifies the mild updates to the 2025 Cullinan by adding the tube suffix to its name, but the changes are largely cosmetic and related to the user interface. The iconic Pantheon grille remains, but is now illuminated, and a new L-shaped LED strip flanks the rectangular headlamps. The front bumper is reworked with slanted air intakes creating a V shape. The rear bumper gets a high-gloss black finish that contributes to an overall bolder look. Polished stainless steel elements around the exhaust and a brushed stainless steel protective plate finish the look. New 7-spoke 23-inch wheels are in place, each milled from a single billet of aluminum. There's also a new Emperador truffle finish intended to give off a subtle shimmer, created by infusing lacquer with glass particles. Inside, a full-width glass panel incorporating the instruments and infotainment touchscreen replaces the previous setup, and there's a new available rayon upholstery fabric crafted from bamboo called Duality Twill. The Cullinan's twin-turbo 6.7-liter V12 provides 563 horsepower, 592 in the black badge model, and is whisper-quiet, lest it disturbs the VIPs in the cabin. All-wheel drive is standard, although we suspect buyers will never venture off the tarmac and risk damaging the paint. The Cullinan rides on an air suspension that receives information from a road-scanning camera and automatically adjusts the vehicle's height to compensate for imperfections in the pavement. Ride comfort is beyond the standards of regular luxury vehicles, as the Cullinan wafts down the road and transmits nothing unpleasant to the people inside. The spacious cabin is lined with a laundry list of materials ostensibly culled from the homes of the British ruling class: box grain leather, lamb's wool carpeting, beautiful wood trim, and milled aluminum accents. Nods to the current consumer climate include a new rayon fabric crafted from bamboo that is called Duality Twill, which is said to include 2.2 million stitches and up to 11 miles of thread, and a new open-pore, grey-stained ash wood trim option. The largest update is the new full-width glass panel that incorporates instruments and infotainment. The upholstery also gets a boost with new artistic patterns formed by the articulate managing of the perforations in the leather, as demonstrated by a pattern said to be inspired by the constantly changing shapes and shadows of the clouds at Rolls-Royce's HQ in Goodwood, England. New for 2025 is a full-width glass panel incorporating instruments, driver data, and infotainment into a single unit. Interestingly, the new 2025 model does away with the former upholstered trim piece that could be positioned to hide the encroaching digital reality, aka the touchscreen. The display now runs Rolls-Royce's latest infotainment system, called Spirit, which was first seen in the electric Spectre. Bluetooth headphones of any type can be paired with the rear seat infotainment system, or clients can listen live to the 18-speaker, 18-channel 1400-watt audio setup. A pair of rear screens are capable of streaming and displaying individual content.